Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here, convert the units 49,000 grams to kilograms. Now we know 1 gram is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilogram. Therefore, we can write 49,000 grams as 49,000 divided by 1000 kilograms. So, there are 3 zeros in numerator and 3 in denominator, so we can cancel all of those out. So we get 49 kgs. So 49,000 grams, when converted to kilograms, we get 49 kilograms. This is the answer.